perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and...
Alicia Silverstone. Alicia Silverstone. Courtney. Courtney. Kevin James. Most recognizable role, Doug Heffernan on The King of Queens' highest-rated film via Rotten Tomatoes. Monster House 75% lowest-rated film. Unfortunately for Kevin, those movies were universally lambasted by critics and ever since the failure of Pixels in 2015. James has spent more time on his TV career via the CBS series Kevin Can Wait. Leighton Meester. Leighton Meester. Sarah Michelle Gellar. Sarah Michelle Gellar.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid.
Taylor
Psychedelic,
Kitsch.
baby. That's what it's all.
Taylor Kitsch. Ashton Kutcher. Christina Applegate.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.